Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete WordPress installation from Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. To delete your website from Hostinger, first of all you need to log into your Hostinger Hpanel. Now from the left menu click on websites. And here you will see all the websites that you have created on Hostinger. I want to delete this website, so I am going to click on dashboard from here. Click on file manager. Click public_HTML. Now we will select all the files and delete them. So press Ctrl A from your keyboard. All the files will be selected. Click on delete from the top. Click delete again. And as you can see that all the files are now deleted. Now we will go back to dashboard again. Click on databases from here. And here we will see our WordPress database. So to delete our database, we are going to click on this three dots button and then click on delete. Click on confirm delete. So we have successfully deleted our website from Hostinger. Now if you want to install WordPress again, from the left menu click on website, auto installer, select WordPress and then you can easily install WordPress. So this is how you can delete your WordPress website from Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.